Strange sounds from your BMW X5. Advanced engine diagnostic solutions you can trust. Strange engine sounds in your BMW X5 should never be ignored because they often signal early mechanical issues. Timely diagnosis helps prevent costly damage and ensures your vehicle continues delivering smooth and reliable performance. Professional diagnostic tools allow technicians to identify the exact cause of unusual sounds quickly and accurately. Common strange sounds and their causes. Knocking or tapping noises usually point to low oil levels, worn components, or issues within the engine timing system. Grinding or rattling sounds often indicate belt wear, loose engine parts, or failing pulleys and tensioners. Hissing sounds may come from vacuum leaks, coolant escaping under pressure, or problems within the exhaust system. Why professional diagnostics matter. Expert technicians use advanced scanning systems to detect sensor faults and mechanical irregularities in real time. Live engine data allows accurate pinpointing of worn parts, misfires, or timing chain deviations. Dealer-level diagnostic tools ensure the most reliable evaluation and maintain BMW's performance standards. Advanced repair solutions for lasting performance repairs may include timing chain correction, belt replacement, or sealing vacuum leaks to eliminate noise at the source. Genuine BMW-approved parts restore factory precision and enhance long-term engine reliability. ECU updates and recalibrations improve engine response and reduce recurring noise-related issues. Preventive measures for long-term engine health. Regular oil changes minimize internal friction and help avoid tapping or knocking sounds. Routine checks of belts, hoses, and engine mounts help prevent future noise-producing failures. Maintaining proper coolant and oil levels ensures a smoother and quieter driving experience. Strange engine sounds should always be diagnosed immediately to protect your BMW X5 from serious damage. Trusted diagnostic services guarantee accurate detection, effective repairs, and long-term driving confidence.